my channel. I'm Ego Trippin', and I am back with another video. So today I'm coming to you guys with the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. This bag is $13 a month, and this is typically a wonderful, wonderful bag, okay? I have not received my Ipsy Glam bag plus yet, but it should be here any day now. So I have not opened it, but we're gonna open it together and see what they're talking about. So they also have a theme for the month, just like BoxyCharm, as you guys already know. And the theme of the month is Show Your Colors, and it is Pride Month. Happy Pride Month to you all. And I do believe they have the name of the products and the prices on the cards. So we're gonna hop right into this little glam bag. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Let's hop into this little bag. So here is the little bag, okay? This is a really cute bag. And today I can't say I don't give a damn about this bag because I like this bag. I think this bag is super cute. I think it's cute. But look at that little lemon right there. That's really, really cute. That's really, really cute. But I gotta say it. I do like this bag. I really do. But you guys do know that I really don't give a damn about this bag. I do like this bag. I like this bag. But I only care about what's in this bag. So let's hop into this little cute bag. This is a really cute little bag for real, for real. So the first item in the bag, the bazag, is this Nomad right here. And this is a really cute little eyeshadow. When I seen this on the website, I couldn't wait to swatch it because it is so freaking pretty. So freaking pretty. It's so super tiny too. Look how tiny this is, but it's okay. Let's see, let me open it. Okay, ooh, that's so pretty. It doesn't have a mirror. It's so pretty. Oh, it got the, it has IV or 5. I don't know, y'all. It has something stamped in there. Oh, an N. It has an N stamped in there. I like that. I think that's what that is. Let's watch it. We don't care because it's good. Oh, that's... that is so pretty. Look at that. Let's watch it somewhere right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Let me wipe this one off. That is so pretty. Let me do it again. Let me wipe all this other stuff off. That is so pretty. That is really pretty. Now, I typically don't like to use like one shadow little pans, but I would definitely use this. Actually, I'm gonna have to go check Nomad out because this is really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it again, you guys. That way I don't have any other color on my arm. That's freaking beautiful. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. That'd be a beautiful smoky date night color. I like that. So that's the first item. I really love Ipsy's little $13 bags. Let me see how much that's going for. Okay, so the full size item of that one would be $39. That's really pretty. The next item in the bag is this Love and Craft gel eyeliner right here, and this is a full size item, and we typically always get a full size item or 2 or 3 in the bag. This is going for $13, so that's very reasonable. Oh, it kind of broke at the end right there. I might maybe melt it. Oh, it's not black. It's melted. That's pretty. It's a silver. That'll be really, really pretty in the waterline. I like that. I'm glad we got a different color. So it is silver. So that is that. That's gonna be really pretty in the waterline. I like that. Okay. All right, the next item in this little bag is this Rose Apple Balm by Kaleido Cosmetics, and it's right here. And the full size item is going for $26. So this is Kaleido Cosmetics Rose Apple Balm. And this is for your lips. For your lips, right? cool. Okay, and the next item in the bag is this, and this is one of the items that I chose actually. This is the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Cream right here. And we know that Tatcha is very expensive. The full size item of this is going for $88, so I'm very happy to receive that. And the last item in this little bag, which is another one of my choices, is this fingernail polish right here. And this in the color black. And this is a full, is this a full size item? I do believe so. This is going for $15. Let me take this tape off. You got like some sparkles in there, so that's really pretty, like little shimmer. That's pretty. So that is it. That is our little $13 bag. I'm telling y'all, you can't never go wrong with the $13 Ipsy Glam bag. You really, really can't. So in our Glam bag for the month of June, that cost us only $13, we received the fluid nail polish right here. We received the Tatcha cream right here. The Tatcha Indigo Overnight Cream right here. We received this little rose apple balm for the lips right here. We received the gray eyeliner right here. And we received the Nomad little mini palette right here. This is a cute little bag. I like that bag. I always like this bag. This is a really cute little bag. So that is our Glam bag for the month of June. Let me know if you tried any of these items, and let me know what you received in your Glam bag for the month of June. And if you did not receive a bag, that is okay. Let me know what items you would like to try, or if you tried them already. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. And I will come back when I receive my Glam bag plus for the month of June. Hopefully it'll be soon. So that is it. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to me. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see all you beautiful, blessed people in my next video. I am Ego Tripping, and I'm out. Bye, y'all. Bye.